So if you've ever wanted to merge old school meets new school as far as like a lantern from back in the day, this is what you need right here. This was very impressive, everybody. Kind of like an old school brass lantern. And that's what this thing is. This is a vintage camping lantern. It came in this box right here. Already took it all out. You get a little set of instructions, but it's pretty simple to follow. I didn't see anything in these instructions that's going to be complicated. You know what? That's what you guys got me for. And for whatever reason, they just gave me a picture of it. I don't know why they would include that, but you know what? You got a picture. A USB-C for charging. And how you're going to charge this, believe it or not, you screw it off like screwing off for gas, and there's where you charge it right there. And then inside of here is the indicator light that's got like a red, green, and it flashes red when it's low. There's a green, which is fully charged right there. That is really awesome how it goes. It's a little dense. It feels like it actually has weight to it. Gives you this cover right here to slide this on. You're pretty much going to slide that on, and look at this. When you turn it on, I don't know how well you can see in the camera, there's a green light. You see how bright that is? I think it goes to like 500 hours. If it's on this dim like this, that's 500 hours of use on the dim. That would be amazing to have this thing in an event of like a hurricane or a storm or something where the power goes out and you need to have a light that will last for a long time, and it's rechargeable. You don't have to go get gas or anything like that for it. You just pretty much turn it off, and then if you're like me and got a solar panel, you can charge it during the day. So we have this lantern all night long, and you can just hang it up, and it gives you that old school look. So I used this thing at night. It was very cool at night to see it like an old school lantern looking when you're walking with this thing. This looks like you're holding a lantern from like 1920s. It's such a cool looking item, and it has this old school brass look. So from a distance, you'd think I have an old school lantern. So yeah, this is something I'm gonna be using amongst my travels on my camping days or just out and about, or in a case of emergencies. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the vintage lantern. See y'all in the next video.